Hi Taurus, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for January. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we see for you and your partner. So the first row is for you and the second row is for your partner. Now, in case you feel that the energies are reversed, you may go ahead and flip the reading. Now, one quick disclaimer is please go ahead and take only that what resonates with you. In case there is something that doesn't resonate with you, please go ahead and leave that. So let's quickly go ahead and see what are the messages we have from the tarot cards for this month. The first card that I see for you is Three of Cups, Five of Wands, and King of Pentacles. Person B, your partner, has Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. We'll also check what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have Ace of Swords, which means a new beginning, where you both want to go ahead and have a new beginning, and before that, there is an honest conversation which is required. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have Three of Cups. In certain cases, it could be a third party situation. You may be dealing with two people at the same time. You may also be emotionally connected with two people at the same time. Now, the second card for you is Five of Wands. Five of Wands is the energy where you don't have control over a situation. You want to have control, but that is right now with somebody outside, and that kind of gives you a lot of stress and anxiety. The third card for you is King of Pentacles, which means you're doing really good with your finances. Maybe you're also enjoying the luxuries of life. You have a quite a stable life, and financially you're doing really good. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is Two of Pentacles. There could be a situation where this person is dealing with two people. Okay, so they're trying to balance out two situations, and again that's based on stability. The second card for them is Queen of Pentacles. So I have the King and the Queen of Pentacles, which means a couple here. With Queen of Pentacles, this person is also doing really good for themselves with regards to their finances. The third card here is Eight of Swords. Now for some of you, okay, this person is feeling guilty because maybe they're trying to deal with two people, okay, and that's what is causing them guilt, because they're doing something behind your back, and that's something that is causing a lot of stress to them. Now let's see what is the mutual feeling here. The mutual feeling that both of you have is Knight of Cups. With that Knight of Cups energy, you both want to go ahead and rush in and express your emotions to each other. So both of you want to rush in and talk about emotions, maybe something that you have not discussed till now. The blockage that I see here is the High Priestess. Now that's a major arcana card. That's the keeper of the secrets. So if there is a secret, then both of you have that inkling feeling that there is something that's happening behind your back. Now let's see what is the outcome here. The outcome is Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles is again immature energy, but with Pentacles there is a thought there. At least you're thinking about stability, but it's not very concrete. You're not taking action. So the thought is there that you want something stable, but the action part, the execution is missing. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person here. So the first card that I see for you is Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Three of Cups. Now with Knight of Swords, this person wants to rush in and talk about something that they may have not yet discussed with you. Nine of Pentacles is single independent energy where they are doing really good for themselves, independent, single person, something that a lot of people are seeing and observing about them. With Three of Cups, that's again third party energy. This person may be dealing with somebody else. So there is another person for some of you, and this person may be emotionally connected to them also. Now let's quickly see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see is work through your fears. If you're scared about something, if you're fearing something, then you need to work through that fear. Only then you can go ahead and overcome it, and that's when you can tackle it. Otherwise, if you keep being scared, then you will not be able to come out of it. So let's also see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you. So the crystal that I see for you is Indocyanite Tektite. The crystal messages: have you been noticing that things seem to happen unexpectedly? Are old injuries coming back to be reviewed? It is time to dissipate the emotional charges, attachments, and expectations. As you heal those around you and essentially the planet. Be in the place of allowing and enjoy life. Now, with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Sandalphon, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.